What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. JD here with yet another video for you guys. I think it's pretty fair to say that the Nike Dunk has been by far the most popular sneaker silhouette of 2021. It feels like every single week we are getting multiple colorways of the Dunks. We have seen high tops as well as the more popular low tops. We've even seen some different variations of the Dunk silhouette. But even with the countless amounts of Dunks dropping, definitely some colorways stand out above the rest. And the shoes I'm going to be talking about in this video is definitely one of those. I will be reviewing the Nike Dunk High in the University Red colorway. So what's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel to all my long-term viewers. And if you are new here, my name is Josh. I review sneakers and provide other types of sneaker content. If you are into that, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I am dropping at least 3 videos a week. So in this video, I'll be breaking down these sneakers. We'll talk about this colorway. We'll look at the quality of these Dunks, also look at current resale prices, tell you whether or not these are worth the price. And of course, as always, I will be giving you guys that on-feet look, so make sure you stick around until the end of this video. So the Nike Dunk High in the University Red colorway. So this sneaker, it did release early in Europe as well as Asia. We don't know when exactly this sneaker will be releasing in the United States. Once I do find out, I will leave probably a pinned comment on this video. It should probably happen towards the end of this year. And for all of you Dunk fans out there, especially you Dunk High fans, you already know this colorway. You probably recognize it. Yes, this is one of the OG colorways of the Dunk High. This is none other than that St. John's colorway, which originally released all the way back in 1985 as part of the Be True to Your School pack. And over the years, this has proven to be one of the most popular colorways ever on the Dunk High. We've seen numerous variations of this shoe. It has been retroed several times. And when looking at these sneakers, it's pretty obvious why these are so popular. This is a very clean colorway. Almost all of the two-tone colorways of the Dunk when you have a white base. These are the colorways that are the most popular on the Dunk High, and I do think this University Red pair looks really good as well. You got the hits of red in all the right places. The upper is made out of that smooth leather. More on that later. Yeah, color blocking, we've already seen this so many times before on different other colorways, and yeah, on this red pair looks very, very nice. Really clean pair of shoes. What else can you say? Now, the last time this particular colorway retroed was back in 2016, and I actually do have that pair right here. This is the St. John's pair from 2016. You can already see visually there are quite a few differences just based on the colorway. The shade of red used on this pair here is quite darker compared to this pair, but really the biggest difference by far between the 16 and 21 pairs has to be the quality. I mean, it doesn't really even compare. On this 2016 pair, you have some very nice smooth leather, some very high quality leather here. And to be expected, the 2021 pairs, this leather, and I almost have to put the word leather in quotes here, this doesn't really feel like leather. It's some kind of synthetic material. It has kind of like a plastic feel to it. It really is a night and day difference when it comes to quality. However, it is to be expected. We've seen all of the 2021 general release Dunks have this very plasticky feeling type of leather. Getting into sizing on this pair, if you have never worn a pair of Nike Dunk Highs before, they fit perfect, true to size. They fit exactly the same as Jordan 1s. They fit the same as Nike Dunk Lows as well. If you typically wear Air Force 1s, then go a half size up than your Air Force 1 size. And very quickly, let's have a look at the resale prices right now. They're not going for too much above retail, even though this is a very clean colorway. If you are in the United States, I wouldn't even cop this right now. I'd probably wait a little bit until it does release over there. Europe and Asia, gang, clean colorways of the Dunk High in the past this year have been going up over time in price. So I think this period that we're in right now is probably your best time to go ahead and cop these shoes. Overall, the Nike Dunk High in the University Red, is this a cop or a drop? If you're willing to ignore the quality, then you know what, these are definitely a very clean pair of shoes. The colorway really pops. I think this sneaker would look great with some olive pants. You could even throw on some blue jeans. It'll look really good with this colorway. The older pairs of the Dunks are obviously out of reach for most people at this point. So a very classic Dunk High colorway. You're getting it for a really good price at this point. So I do think these are a cop. If you found the video useful, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. And also follow me on Instagram. The handle is right here at JDKick6. I drop a lot of fit pics on there. And of course, I'm very active on there. If you DM me, I'm more than likely gonna be responding to you. The on feed dropping right now. Thank you guys so much for messing with the channel and for watching this video. And I will see you guys next time. Peace.